Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about fit tall pull-out storage solutions. This is the Fit's version of the classic pull-out pantry with a fixed front on it. Now these units are popular as they provide strong functionality and quality for a reasonable price. They're durable with a smooth movement and of course soft closing action, which makes them quiet to use and safer, as with soft close, the chances of trapping fingers in them is greatly reduced. They provide really good visibility and access to the contents from both sides. So they're efficient to use when you're cooking or creating your shopping list, for example. The frame is powder coated, so they're very durable and easy to wipe down. There's plenty of options to choose from. Models for a cabinet that are 300, 400, 450 or even 500 mil wide, plus 3 height options, each with a good range of adjustment. Now this unit features the solid base shelves with chrome style rails. There's also a version with chromed wire baskets if that's your preference. Now here's a pro tip that applies to any pull-out pantry. Extra support should be placed under the cabinet base, directly beneath the runner mechanism. Now, this is to prevent the panel sagging under the weight of the unit when it's fully stocked. This unit has a general total load capacity of 100 kgs, including the unit itself and the front panel. So you can see why that extra support underneath the unit is required. And just one final point for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. On the medium and tall models, there's 3 front adjustment points, top, middle, and bottom. So great for preventing that annoying bowing on the front panel.